what other people believe to call it as a mess, I believe to call it the work of art. Great use of Saturday morning. मैंने meticulously सारी चीज़ों को arrange करके रखा है front to back. Cable ties, 3M tapes, all the cables are up in the air, nothing is touching in the ground. LED controller. तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद इस डेस्क का सेटअप टूर नहीं किया तो फिर क्या ही किया. So let's jump right into it, but before that I need to shower because I'm completely grossed out by cleaning this behemoth behind me. So we'll do that first and then let's jump into it. So हाँ भैया, ये है मेरा desk setup. Let's go. Starting off with the desk, this is a cheap table that I bought for 2000 rupees from a local store. It's not ideal, but you need something to keep your stuff on, so this is it. This is going strong for last 2.5 years, so but yeah, मुझे इसको replace करना है जल्दी ही. Coming up to the mouse of choice, this is the Logitech MX Master 2S that I'm using for last 2 years. Fun thing about it कि इसको मैंने चौथे दिन पे तोड़ दिया था. I dropped it and then it stopped working. Like I had to use it with a lot of workaround, but then I found out कि Logitech की एक brilliant warranty policy है जिसमें पूरा का पूरा mouse ही replace हो जाता है. So after 5 months of struggling with this mouse, they gave me a new mouse and I've been using it like a champ. This goes through work like a beast. You can use it to create keyboard shortcuts, you can use it to play your multimedia, you can use it to create your software related functions. आप कुछ भी बोलो, this thing has it for you. Moving on to my keyboard of choice, this is a Dell keyboard that I picked up from Chroma. 1200 का कीबोर्ड पड़ा था, देखिए 1200 का पड़ा था, but I needed something very cheap but has to have Bluetooth because मुझे डेस्क पे केबल्स बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. So I went with this. I think this is possibly the cheapest Bluetooth keyboard that Dell makes. I'm not sure, don't quote me on this, but yeah, this is being serving me well. Rattle नहीं है ज़्यादा, so I think this is ideal. Moving along, I have a dual monitor setup with a Red Bull theme going on here because मैं last 2 हफ्तों से Formula 1 Drive to Survive देख रहा हूँ and I am completely blown out by Red Bull. So and I know I have a friend who is into Mercedes who will bust my balls for saying this, but I support Red Bull. Moving on, I have this HP monitor that I bought from a friend who bought it and used it for 2 months. This has an anti-glare polycarbonate film which protects any kind of glare to be falling onto this. So मुझे काफ़ी so it helps me to not get distracted by all the light that is coming from the window behind me, which falls onto this monitor, but this is like my secondary monitor and also my primary and the only machine of choice. This is my Dell laptop. I think it's Dell 3558. It's an old busted laptop that I've been using for last 4 years, I guess. Fun fact about it is कि ये मेरा पहला लैपटॉप है जो मैंने अपनी खुद की सैलरी से खरीदा है. Before that, both of the laptops were given to me by my dad. But yeah, I am really proud of this machine because अपने खुद की खून पसीने की कमाई से खरीदा है. On this side, I have Alexa here, which is going to say something, I believe, right now. Okay. Right next to her is Ganpati Bappa and my sunglasses and my glasses cases because I need my glasses to read sometimes. I also tend to keep a cleaning cloth on my desk just to clean up my stuff and keep it shiny as always. Keep it shiny as always. I do keep post-its here because I tend to write down a lot of things. At the bottom I have this Harman Kardon speakers. These are not my speakers, but ये एक friend के है who had to leave it here during lockdown and hasn't come to pick it up. But I plan to buy them from him because I want to make them mine because they are awesome in sound quality. This summarizes my desk setup. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो you do let me know. अगर आपको मेरा room tour या bathroom tour चाहिए तो you can let me know. I'll have to ask for permission, but I'll see what I can do. Alright, now I'm going to clean up all the mess that I've created behind this setup and get out there. Now I think because I pounded that Red Bull completely in one go, I have a lot of energy in me and I think I need to use it somewhere to get something productive done. So I'm gonna go and watch Formula 1 Drive to Survive. अगर आपको एडवेंचर और स्पोर्ट्स पसंद है तो मेरी मानिए and watch Formula 1 Drive to Survive. It's amazing. I mean, I've been watching it for last 2 weeks and मेरा third season almost खत्म होने आया है. I'm binging this like crazies. Must watch. Now I've got last season to watch. I'm gonna go. Need to show everybody. It is Saturday today, which means मेरा gym आज बंद है, but no big deal. I'll go walking out in the open, just like old days. So let's go. You know, I always prefer walking in like quieter places because there are less freaks and but you will find like some people smoking pot out here. But everything is closed on the weekend. Strangely, nothing is closed. Apparently there was quite a big of a party at the high streets of Balewadi and I wasn't invited, so I made myself the guest of honor and got myself a latte. Cheers. A statement to say, but I just saw a guy passing by in full leather jacket around in front of me. Crazy place. My legs are literally killing me, but I've done it. Okay, I don't think मुझसे अब और कुछ होगा apart from editing this vlog. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you did like this vlog, thank you very much. If you didn't, I'm sorry. I believe there's another vlog waiting for you to be liked. But yeah, as always, thank you very much for watching this far. And I guess, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.